Veritas Side Clamping Honing Guide. It's pretty simple to use. You just basically, it will screw in and clamp the sides of your chisel. As you can see, in the top here, the jaws come really super close together. If I open it up all the way here, you can see that it has this kind of clamping surface. It's got a beveled clamping surface down there at the bottom, another bevel clamping surface there, and then a pinch surface between that and those at the top. And it's the same on this side. There's a beveled clamping plate here and a beveled clamping plate here to match those. So as long as you got any meat left on your chisel at all, you're going to be able to sharpen it with this guide. Now, to set your tool in the guide, it's pretty simple. You just make a wooden block, and the documentation tells you how long this distance is. Yeah, you want the bevel of your the sharpening, the surface you want to sharpen, you want down, not up, because you have the roller. Okay, 30 degrees. Slide that up, clamp it down. Okay, so now we're ready to go. Okay, in conclusion, I think that the Veritas Side Clamping Honing Guide is well worth the money that you pay for it. And if you want your bevels to be accurate all the time, and you don't really have the skill yet with freehand sharpening, then I honestly don't think you can go wrong. Because I mean, that's all it takes to set up. So I think that it's a really good tool, and I really think it's very good value for your money. It is very robust. The roller is large and strong. The screw is very large diameter. The knurled knob is easily big enough, and it's highly knurled. The fittings where the blade goes are extremely positive. I mean, that locks that in there. There is no way that is moving no matter what. So I think that of all the simple honing guides, this is probably the very best on the market. And it's not even that expensive.